What's going on, guys? Chris here of Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the V4R. We're going to go out to Iron Horse Motorcycles, the BMW dealership here in Tucson, because Nate Kern, Nate the Great, he is bringing the 2025 BMW S1000R and M1000RRs. So we're going to go there and check them out. Hopefully get a walk around, maybe get a talk with them. We'll see how the day goes. Usually when it's busy like this, it's kind of behind the scene type stuff, but we'll take you around the bikes at least, give you my thoughts, and we'll at least see some S1000 and M1000RRs, 2025s. I know we're coming up. Jesus. There it is. Ugh. Look at all these beautiful BMWs. Look at the lineup. Nice. Alright, so I'm gonna park this bad boy, get inside, and check out the rest. Here at Iron Horse, and for the Nate Kern BMW reveal, and look at all of the M bikes that have graced the walls and sidewalks of Iron Horse motorcycles. And then you go right there, and that is the lonely Ducati by itself. Nice 1250, sweet 2020 S1000RR. You see how they've gone from that, added winglets to the newer ones, and then the brand new ones, the winglets are even more pronounced because they're like that M1000RR there. You'll see S1000RR coming up with the wings I mentioned. If you're in Tucson, Iron Horse Motorcycles, they got a full buffet here. Happy people. It's a nice kind of like close-knit dealership, and it's just kind of feel at home here. Yeah, check it out on Horse Motorcycles if you're looking for a BMW, because they will hook you up.
I mean, this is exciting to see how quickly BMW just revolutionizes their bikes. I mean, especially this class. From 2010, their first ones, they've never settled and said, "Oh, it's good enough. Let's sell it for 10 years," which we see, unfortunately, in a lot of products around the world. And I want to thank Nate Kern.
Many of y'all actually watch World Superbike, so you can appreciate that Turkish redneck. I can say it that way because we spent 3 unbelievable days at the track together. And what's funny is Motorsports. Between Toprak and myself, because we all know each other, but naturally I'm not at the world level, haven't met. I was selected to be one of 4 riders for the official content capture that you guys have seen over the past week or two, all the stuff they keep releasing online. Yeah, when you see the red leathers and the matte helmet, that's my svelte, you know.
All right, guys, most of the party's cleared out here. Let's kind of walk around these bad boys and sort of see what we like and dislike. So I'm going to point out is this throttle is apparently 12 degrees less rotation needing to get to wide open throttle, and you can kind of feel that. I tested it over there with the 24 S1000R, and you can see just how much more turn there actually is as a throttle, and I can feel a difference. Something I really like about the S1000RR is the way they took the M1000R from 2023's wings and put them on the front of this. I believe these angles here match up better than what the M's did, just because these are round and you had a straight line, so kind of sort of didn't match very well. But I think as a bike overall, as a package, the S1000R would be the one I'd go with, because one of the dynamic suspension, there is the Wunderlich cartridge you can put in here, retain the dynamic suspension. So you want more aggressive forks, you can do that and still have the electronic aspect of it. Because one of the things I would probably change on this bike again would be the brakes. Upgrade them. Do you need to? Probably not. You know, they're more than what I personally need, but why not? I love the way the Brimbos feel. I'd also change out the master cylinder. But as a package, you really can't beat what this particular bike is giving you. Let's look at the M1000RR. Before we do that though, let's look at the 2023 version. You'll see how straight that is and the bulbousness. Hi! I got it on camera, he stopped. That kid's 15. How awesome. But with this M1000RR, I love all the carbon fiber on it. Panels it just looked super premium. It's something that I will point out with the new M1000RR is just the amount of plastic paint. On the other one, because it's carbon, the stickers didn't stand out quite as much. Like they look like they're part of it and look better. Again, plastic. I do like the matte. There's some people that really aren't a fan of the matte. I kind of dig it. You know, it's obviously something Ducati does all the time. But when you look, you listen to all the carbon fiber that was there and there. I believe, as BT Moto said, that it's aluminum. You know, you like it, dislike it. It's all personal preference. So a lot of the magic's back here. It helps change the geometry. That man would know the best about how to answer all those questions, but it's all in the linkage. It's all that matters. Basically, what it does is helps this bike stay true and straight, meaning when you get on the throttle, you go that way as opposed to that way. Look at the size of you. I do like these new winglets. I think they're probably the most evident that they were developed in some form of wind tunnel versus any of them, because they just have that flowy nature to them, especially like that. I also want to point out it's really cool if you like this carbon and you get an S1000R. This carbon and these panels are easily interchangeable between the two. I wouldn't change the winglets, although maybe you can get a 23 and bolt them on. I'm not sure if that's even a thing. BT Moto, you could probably correct me on that. The brake ducting, I do like this. I know that they had mentioned that they didn't have the lower section because of the clearance issues they were having, or people were having, but take that mud guard, put it over there, and then there you go. You have a carbon fiber front hugger. So when looking at these two beasts, like I said, S1000R would be the one I would choose, but you really can't go wrong with either one of them. What do you guys think? Like the M or the S better? Leave a comment down below. And check out Iron Horse Motorcycles. They got a lot of BMW stuff, and they get a lot of stuff in, even though they're a smaller dealership. Hope you liked this video. Definitely comment down what you think, and be sure to subscribe. Give me that little thumbs up as well. You all have a wonderful, wonderful day.